So what up, YouTubers? We're lost in the suburbs right now. Ain't that right, JoJo? We're in the JoJo's hood in Hillsburg, California, and it's for a repeat customer. So we're about to get some money today, and let me flip this camera around real quick.
Yeah, this is Hillsburg. This is where I grew up. The houses are gorgeous. Look at their mansions. They're so beautiful.
What do you want them to do first, though?
Hit that like button and subscribe.
So check out these houses, guys. Let me flip this camera around real quick for you. So check it out. It's a pile from damn hell. Because it rained last night. And it looks like a pile of shit. And look how far we got to travel. And there's a little hill. JoJo, are you excited or what?
Woo!
She's not happy, trust me. And it is a muddy mess over here too. Let me just show you. Look at this. Well, I guess it ain't that bad, but the pile right here supposedly was supposed to be down the damn hill so we could pull up and load it up. So anyways, let me show you guys the pile. Here it is. It's not really that bad. I just don't like hills like this. So we're definitely gonna charge more money because, yeah, look at that. Gotta hike that damn little hill over there. And look at the JoJo getting ready. Twerk it. So let me know, are you excited or what?
I'm just excited to get it over with. Actually, it looked worse from down there because when you look closer, it's not, I thought it was like a wet dirt pile. So when a job is bad and it's not exactly what you want to do, just think positive. All the positive stuff is that it's in the morning, so it's going to be probably our hardest job today, and we'll just knock it out of the way because it's early in the morning.
Positive Patty. This stuff ain't really that heavy. It's pretty light, but this stuff right here,
yeah, it's
dirty as hell.
And
Got
it's
some
really
dirt
tangled.
clumps in it.
It's really tangled.
All right, let's get to it. So, I got two words for you. Motherfucker, JoJo. Oh, wow. My back hurts. I think I want to go home, JoJo. We getting that cheddar, baby. Look at you. Dragging it like a mule deer down a hill. Look at her. JoJo don't play. Oh, she's tangling me up. Oh, look at that. Hey, babe, you know what's funny? I take dumps that big in the morning. JoJo, what the hell are you doing?
I feel like I'm playing tug of war.
Be careful, don't fall down the damn hill pulling too hard. Look at you.
I won.
Now, let me ask you guys a question. Do you really want to do junk removal and show up to jobs you need to get done because it's a repeat customer and it's a contractor that uses you all the time and it's a Saturday and you could be doing something else, but it needs to get done? Ask yourself that. And if you say yes, then you're right for the business. And look at that sexy dang. So about what? 30 minutes later?
Half done, a little over half.
We're way more than half done, babe. Look at that.
Well, I haven't tackled that side yet.
And then there's some trash bags inside the garage. So that's what we got done so far. Look at that. And then all those trash bags over there, if you guys can see. So, you know, I like to keep it real, baby. And you know what that reminds me of right here? my booty with some dingleberries on it. Late night after Taco Bell. That's exactly how I feel. And then I gotta take a shower. So yeah.
You are a hairy creature.
I'm a hairy monster for real.
I totally believe this.
Yeah. So just like that, a neighbor in the neighborhood was walking by, seeing the big decals. JoJo gave him a business card, and we just lined up a job. So yeah. So anyone that says decals don't work, you ought to slap their mama, because I'm telling you right now, we get so much business with this billboard right here. So we're almost done, and I'm so happy. So we got a full load. And the JoJo, Lena, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
124.
124? I'm gonna say 147. Let's see what happens. So it's almost time for the moment of truth. What the prediction is. And look, JoJo got all the baskets ready that we'll be handing out. And what do you got right there, JoJo? Them gloves.
I've got a pair of gloves that Giovanni sent me. He's a subscriber, and I love it when subscribers send us stuff. We opened the mail yesterday, and there was an awesome hat for Matthew, and he didn't forget about the JoJo, and he put gloves in there. And I had a pair like these, and I had lost them, so I am so glad. And they're already so dirty from that job, but they felt so good. Thanks again, Giovanni.
We appreciate it, brother. And ain't no one in the dump line, baby. We out here getting money and ain't no one else. Which basket you want to give him?
Oh, he's getting this one.
Well, let me get some candy out of it first.
Winner!
All I gotta say is mother. She won. Damn it. Ain't no one here. Holy crap. Crazy, huh? So we back for round number 2. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
She even put her lipstick on. She's ready, guys.
So that is how we started. And that's actually how I suggest you start. Don't save all your money for a dump truck to start a junk removal business. Start with what you got. See how it works in your area, reinvest back in your business, and then you can roll around in one of these.
Round 2, baby. Look at that dirt pile right there. Just look at the JoJo like a real cowgirl. You looking sexy as can be right now. I'm about to tackle you right now. Ooh. So just like that, the pile from hell is done. And look at the JoJo, always sweeping up and making it look pretty, just like her. So yeah, this was a good paying job. We made some good money. Plus we got some cardio in.
Win-win.
Win-win situation, baby. So if you want to make money and stay in good shape, junk removal might be the business for you guys. And JoJo, why in the hell do I keep losing my damn glove? I got one glove, like MJ Live. What's up with that? Anyways, let me go find my glove. Then we got a job right down the street. We're gonna go bid for a neighbor that walked by. So JoJo thinks he's cheap, but we'll find out. find of the day. How heavy is that piece of copper?
This is heavy. This is thick and big. It's like at least 10.
At least
15
10,
pounds?
15 pounds,
Yeah.
maybe.
Wow. Is there more of this?
So let's find out if the JoJo's right. And JoJo, why do you think that customer's gonna be super cheap? I'm just wondering.
Oh, I'm just really good at getting vibes off of people. So I just think that.
We'll find out. And we're in a rich area. We'll see if the JoJo's right or not. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. We'll be over there in a minute. We're gonna bid the job. And let us know what you think. It's gonna be a go or no go. Are we gonna get that dough or no? Let me know. We're heading over there right now. So change of plans. That gentleman walked by us 3 times. He's been walking around for what, an hour and a half to 2 hours straight?
Yeah.
And the last time he walked by, he said, when are you gonna be done? I said, in about 30 minutes. I'll meet you at your house in 30 minutes. He said, okay. So 30 minutes goes by. We're done. We pull up to his house. I said, is your house the greenhouse that's 2 stories? He says, yes. I said, well, we're here. He said, well, I'm still walking around. I'll be there in 20 minutes. What the hell, JoJo? I guess when you're rich and you got a bunch of money and nothing else to do, you walk around the neighborhood for like 2 to 3 hours.
I
Who
guess
the hell does
I
that?
don't know.
Anyways, we're getting coffee here at Big John's Market. Ready?
Yeah.
I need to get cracked out right now, guys. So
We need some coffee.
yeah. Don't forget your masky, JoJo. Okay? So there's that damn greenhouse again. So 5 minutes later, job is complete, and the JoJo thought we wouldn't get the job, but Matt put his mouthpiece on the guy and got him to pay money.
Yeah. So 5 minutes later, that's what we got. And where else can you make that kind of money in 5 minutes? I don't even think doctors make that.
5 minutes, baby.
5 minutes.
We picked up some rugs, some carpet that was in the garage, and yeah, we just got paid, so we're heading to the landfill, baby.
I just love junk removal.
So, JoJo, what's your prediction?
Oh, of this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 52.
I'm gonna say $43. Now I'm gonna let you guys know what just happened. Me and the JoJo, we tied up. I won one and she won one.
Yeah.
We got one more to go do. I don't know if we're gonna dump it or not. We might not dump it, so we might just dump the metal.
Yeah.
Oh, you think you're gonna win? She thinks she's gonna win, but she ain't gonna win. So we're heading to the next job. And it's for a repeat customer. Now, subscribers, you want to see something badass? Well, give me 1 second. Check this out. Look at that sexy thing right there. Ooh, wait. Sucker, sexy as hell, baby. So here's the last job of the day, and there it is. It's not that bad, huh?
Nope.
We come here all the time, at least twice a week, and pick up these AC units and the rest of the trash. So about, what, 10 minutes later, job is complete, and that was some easy money. And JoJo, what'd you give him?
Oh, I gave him one of the gift baskets because he has used us multiple times throughout this year. So, yeah. So
And-
he got a basket.
And he was super, super happy. So him and his wife and his kids are gonna be eating some candy later on tonight. So now we're heading to the landfill real fast. And yeah, so you ask, What would I do if I didn't do junk removal? Well, you know what? I might be like these people over here. Check it out. Mats, window cleaning, and screen repair. Look at those guys. Those guys are cool looking, huh?
Yeah.
So the game plan is just to dump all this metal. We got a job tomorrow to do some solar panels that are all glass that got burnt up. It's a 3K job, so I'm not gonna dump the rest of this trash. I'm gonna save it for tomorrow and do one load and dump everything tomorrow. So yeah, just gonna drop all this metal off real quick. So we are done for the day. Just ate some bomb, what was it, salad and some soup. And guess what? California shut down again.
Oh, I know.
Doesn't that suck?
It's crazy. I don't know how people are gonna do it, because you're like, some people were already barely surviving and now they're closing things down again.
So you know the hustle don't stop. When we get off work, we're still working, baby. We gotta grab a few things over here. So if you guys like these videos, hit that like and subscribe button down below and keep hollering and ballin'.